We'll guide you through how to make 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗 a light motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the settings that you want to use. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. When the new project is ready, press the plus button located below the timeline to open the Add menu. Select and import the footage that you want to use into your timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, press the plus button again in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, add a rectangle layer to your timeline. Once the rectangle has been added, increase its scale until it completely fills the screen. After the rectangle covers the entire composition, open the effect browser for the rectangle layer. Use the search bar to find the copy background effect, then add it to the rectangle layer. After applying the effect, open the effect browser again and go to the color and light category. Inside this category, locate the color temperature effect and add it to the rectangle layer. Once the color temperature effect has been added, open the effect browser again and search for the color tune effect. Add the color tune effect to the same rectangle layer. After both effects have been applied, adjust the color temperature settings until the footage begins to look cooler. Next, adjust the color tune settings until you achieve the cold color correction style that you want. Continue making small adjustments to both effects until you are satisfied with the final appearance. When you have finished editing the effect settings, press the play button to preview the result and make sure everything looks correct. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a cold color correction effect in Alight Motion. Your rectangle layer now contains the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗.